Kit Gwang's Johnson Olony's deputy has denied allegations that he was killed in clashes with a counterpart faction led by General Simon Gatwich in the upper state. General Paromi Angie is the second in command of the Aqualec forces of General Johnson Olony. Netizens have rumored that he was killed during the recent intense fighting by forces loyal to the General Simon Gatwich, the leader of the splinter group of the Kit Gwang splinter group in Tonga. Gatwich and Olong had fallen out months after both separately signed a peace deal with the SPLMIG in Khartoum early this year. In June, the SPLMIG and the holdout Kit Gwang Agwilek forces said they had started implementing the security arrangements. It was rumored that in last month's battle, Angie lost his life in the fight in Tonga as the assigned lead commander of the Aqualec forces. However, reacting to the claim, Angie dismissed the allegations, saying he was very much alive. Those who are spreading the information on the social media that I'm dead are liars and they are not telling the truth. I'm fine and doing well. As I speak to you, I'm alive and fine. We fought them in Deal, Pangak, and we threw them away. Now I'm in Tanja. Radio could not independently verify the allegations. But fighting has been intense in Tanja, with humanitarian organizations worrying of the plight of thousands IPDs who are languishing the brunt of the conflict in the wilderness. Several aid agencies have lamented the blockage in access of aid assistance to the most needing populace. The UN humanitarian agency, OCHA, has complained of lack of access to thousands of displaced persons across areas of the restive region because of the violent conflict. Angie, who seeks peace with the fighting group, hopes there will be a resolve to the matter. The two conflicting parties have reportedly resumed fighting on Monday.